When will the outbreak peak? This has been a pressing question in the battle against the coronavirus epidemic. SARS expert Zhong Nanshan is at the helm of the Chinese investigation team.
We just has a prediction based on the mathematical AI model, and also based on the monitoring of the real-time development of recent days, and based on the risk factor, and also based on the strong intervention of the Chinese government. So we suppose maybe the peak time may be reached, and at the maybe in the middle or late this month, February. So and then keep a little bit plateau or something like that, and then going down. So that's my. And I suppose we have seen the crew at the moment. So in recent days, in Wuhan, although in Wuhan still keep changing, but in other places, like in the second is Guangdong, this province, and Zhejiang and some others, and the number of newly diagnosed patients is going down, gradually going down. So that's good news for us. That's what I predict.
Apart from the hope, Zhong Nanshan expressed his deep concern over the human-to-human transmission.
I didn't express the most striking is contagious. As I didn't imagine it's so fast in such a short time. If actually our collection of the disease is usually is coming from seafood market and something, so wildlife, animals something. But actually, from our data, is not that much. The percentage not that much. So actually, the majority of the patient actually is human-to-human transmission. So from this point, this kind of disease may have been exist big earlier, I suppose. So, but a new virus, nobody took more attention, paid more attention to this kind of virus. So, but so once again, I suppose 3 events in this century, all coronavirus. So once the next time, we don't know what kind of coronavirus will be happening, will be appearing. So all the countries, the scientists and the CDC should be very aware about once a new kind of coronavirus infection, should be very careful, very cautious to deal with this infection.
As for the lockdown in Wuhan, Zhong stressed the need for isolation.
I suppose maybe people will misunderstanding the lockdown of Wuhan or something like that. But I should say it's definitely necessary to do that. I think that the decision by the central government is correct for this. If it is delayed for a couple of days, and that will cause much more spreading all over China as well as the world. I think at this moment, it is compulsory, it is necessary to stop the spreading of disease. That's the first task.
Zhong Nanshan also said China needs to improve its disease control mechanisms and even help set up a global early warning system for contagious diseases. Yang, CGTN.